is taking for risk 2 days. I got only honor. అదుంగా పోడుంగా ఆచా
క్లాప్స్ ఇద్దామండి అందరు బ్రదర్ క్లాప్స్ ఇవ్వాలి మనం. All of us should clap for brother. Voluntarily he came and recorded all the sessions and he kept in the YouTube channel. Anni sessions, all sessions are recorded and kept in the YouTube channel called Truth TV7.
Yes, the Truth TV7, it's available for all the programs are there. They're without any skip. You can.
So all of you please re-listen. Malli vinandi. Okay na?
What to do is you go to Google or YouTube, search by keywords like Truth TV7. That's all. You will get my channel like this symbol will get and click on that. You will directly taken to the channel and subscribe, share, like and support me. Thank you.
All of you మీరు అందరూ కూడా చేయండి. So we will honor now. Yeah.
Let's give the clap to yes. Please honor, give the clap. Okay. Okay. மல்ல ఒకటింగో சாப்பிட்ட உடனே உட்காந்தாக்கா டயர்ட் ஆயிடுவீங்க. ஒரு கோரஸ் பாடலாம். கோரஸ்